It's a mad sprint to the finish. First team to bank our total target gets the glory.
Scotty's hit the nail on the head. The big cash chase is on. Our teams have really come out swinging today, and now we've got our first elimination.
Warm-up is definitely over. The Vogue's getting ready to pile into Vault 1. It's looking bleak, but the Vogues haven't wiped just yet. One contestant is still roaming the arena.
Come, down here!
Is starting to heat up as the Retros have started our first cash out. Would like to throw back to a time when they had more presence in the arena. Only one contestant left. The Retros will need to try again. Team wiped.
Charge deployed!
The Retros are re-entering the arena. The Big Splash are at the head of the line! The Big Splash are making waves, stealing a cash out and leaving rivals soaked!
I wonder what else they can get away with. Won't be upstaged. They're on a turnaround mission.
The Vogues are playing for keeps. They've snagged the match's first cash out. Honestly envy that last remaining contestant on the Vogues. I always loved that spotlight. The Retros are back. Team respawned.
Deploying jump pad.
Trend-setting action in the arena as the Vogues are opening Vault 2.
Gooing things up. Throwing some goo.
The Vogues will need to come back from that wipeout.
Not the pose that I would be striking if I were them.
folks are back in the arena, folks. The Retros have a cash out in the works.
Placing an explosive. I just got word from our producers that we're about to launch an event. Our contestants better buckle up. Our sky laser is drawn to stationary contestants like ants and sugar. That should keep things moving in the arena.
Launching some screen. Team wipe calamity for the Retros. In a flood of action, the Big Splash just stole a cash out.
Big rewards from a risky move.
Go grenade out. Throwing some go. Let's get airborne.
An exhilarating match, but now our game is over. And now we celebrate as one team of contestants becomes a group of rising stars. Thanks again to our sponsors and to our viewers at home.